what I'm trying to work on now is to say, what is the bridge? What we're trying to do and we're trying to launch effectively is
Mhm.
say, okay, a ridiculous amount of kids aren't going to have internships. But what would it look like for us to give them an opportunity to be able to
Yeah.
say, let's have the space without heavy curriculum to just explore, to be curious, to try, to play the things that, I think really that made us who we are.
Kinda like
And
AI maker spaces.
yeah, it's a makerspace. Like this is like basically what we're trying to say is we're going to try to launch this in the next few weeks, hopefully for mid-June launch. And we're just going to say, look, if you don't have an internship, or even if you got some job, you could be a barista, you could be waiting tables, you could be doing something else. We want you to be able to have an opportunity to come in with a cohort of people to start learning how to play with tools and do things and basically explore. And it'll be done over 2 4-week sprints. And you'll have a chance to show off what you're doing. And by the way, it doesn't mean you just have to build with AI. You want to do investigative journalism, knock yourself out. You want to do stuff with writing a screenplay, great. Use those technologies, get collaboration, get feedback from others, and learn how to do this. We're going to try to pair you up with a bunch of mentors, have speakers come in and share their wisdom with you. The flaw, of course, that people are going to think about is like, where's the on the job mentorship? We don't know how to solve that yet, but
Yeah.
we trying to give people a chance to be able to
Yeah.
use skills, technologies, and share it so that you are in a spot that you have a tangible asset at the end that maybe you keep building on it. Maybe it turns into something
Yeah.
new, or you can show to somebody and
Yeah.
say, hey, look, here's my real skills. Here's what I did.